Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Samsung has unveiled its third 200 megapixel camera sensor, which could be used on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, Samsung has a third camera sensor with 200 megapixels. According to the latest Samsung ISOCELL HPX, it is probably the company's third camera sensor with 200 megapixels. There are chances that it will be in the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone next year. There are already smartphones on the market with a 200 megapixel sensor, such as the Motorola Moto H30 Ultra or Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone. However, there is no Samsung product among them, while the device is mentioned using Korean photometric. This may change next year as some sources still say that the flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a main camera with a resolution of 200 megapixels. According to the latest news, the Galaxy S23 Ultra may include the latest 200 megapixel camera sensor from Samsung ISOCELL HPX, as tipster Ice Universe wrote on his Twitter profile page. This is a 1.3 inches matrix with a 0.6 micron pixel in a top smartphone. It will be behind the lens with an f1.7 aperture. Samsung 200 megapixel sensor is equipped with advanced deep trench isolation technology, which isolates each pixel individually and increases its sensitivity. This translates into clearer and more vivid photos in turn. Thanks to the tetra technology in bright sunlight, it is possible to take pictures with a resolution of 200 megapixels, while when the light is less, every 4 pixels are combined into one, so that the photo's resolution can be up to 50 megapixels when there is very little light. 16 pixels are combined into one given picture with a resolution of 12.5 megapixels. Samsung says this allows you to take a sharp photo no matter how much light is available. The new 200 megapixel ISOCELL HPX image sensor allows you to record movies in 8K at 30 fps quality. It also supports HDR in 4K and Full HD modes. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to debut early next year. In addition to the 200 megapixel camera, it is to have a larger fingerprint reader under the display, called a Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner, and a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast battery charging. In different, there is to be a screen with a diagonal of 6.8 inches, the same as in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone. For selfies, the smartphone will use a regular center display camera sensor, and the UDS technology will be implemented next year. New Galaxy S23 smartphones are expected to launch at the end of January next year. Let's take care of ourselves well until the next video. Subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future for more updates.